In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Chrome and search for community guides on role outcomes, review technical step-by-step backup methods carefully, and execute sync checks through browser account portals. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once the browser is ready, click into the search bar at the top. Here, you'll want to search for community guides on role outcomes. Use clear search terms so the results are easier to sort through. The goal at this stage is to find practical, community-created explanations that discuss possible outcomes, typical behavior, and any patterns or shared experiences that may help you understand the topic better. As the results appear, take a moment to scan the page before opening anything. Look for guides, discussion threads, or help articles that seem detailed and relevant. Community guides can be useful because they often include real-world experience, but it's still important to read carefully and compare information across more than one source. That helps you avoid relying on incomplete or outdated advice. After you've found a few useful references, move on to reviewing technical, step-by-step backup methods carefully. This part is important because backup procedures often involve settings, data protection, and the correct order of actions. As you read through a method, pay attention to how each step connects to the next. Don't rush this section. If a guide includes setup requirements, warnings, or notes about compatibility, make sure you understand those before continuing. A good approach is to focus on whether the backup method is clearly explained from beginning to end. You want to confirm that it covers preparation, the actual backup process, and any verification steps afterward. If the guide seems vague or skips over important details, it may be better to compare it with another source before acting on it. Once you've reviewed the backup methods, the final task is to execute sync checks through browser account portals. In Chrome, this usually means going into your browser account area and checking whether sync is active and working as expected. Open the account portal associated with the browser and review the sync status. Look for indicators showing whether settings, saved data, or other browser information are connected properly across devices. As you do this, make sure everything appears current and